Good news! The Panquake team have developed a new, safer, easy way to share your favorite links, Panquake.me. There's no tracking and no cookies. Our site cleans and shortens the link and archives its contents for future use. To use this amazing new solution, here's all you have to do. First, find the link that you want to shorten and copy it. Next, enter Panquake.me in your browser and go to the website. Click on the purple box that says Paste your link here and paste the link into the box. Then, click on the hot pink coloured Panquake.me link button on the right hand side. You'll see several options for link displays. If your link has been successfully archived, the archive.org and archive.is options will appear above the shortened link. In some cases, the link can't be archived, but you will still receive a shortened link. If you prefer, you can click on the archive.org or archive.is versions to display the relevant short link. To easily copy the link for sharing, click the Copy button. To quickly share your Panquake.me link to other platforms, click the Share icon on the right-hand side of the Copy button. Then, choose the desired platform on which to share your Panquake.me link. If you have another link that you want to shorten, click the New Link button to repeat the process. Feel free to check out the FAQ section on our Panquake.me website for more information. That's all there is to it. Now you can share your favorite links quickly, easily, and more safely.